Amy loved exploring the underwater world. One day, she heard mysterious sounds in the ocean. What's making that sound? Amy wondered. She swam toward the sound and saw a group of whales. A baby whale swam up to greet her. "Hi there," the baby whale said softly. "Our songs tell stories about the ocean," said the whale. Amy learned that whales talk to each other through songs. "Can I hear your song?" Amy asked. The whales began to sing a beautiful melody. "That's amazing," Amy exclaimed. The baby whale explained what each sound meant. "This low note means danger," said the baby whale. "And this high note means food is nearby." "We also sing to celebrate," said the whale. Amy practiced mimicking the whale's songs. The baby whale showed her how to sing like a pro. Amy realized the ocean was full of stories. "Thank you for teaching me," Amy said. The baby whale sang a goodbye melody. Amy returned home, eager to share what she learned. She wrote about the whale's songs in her journal. Her story inspired others to listen to nature. Amy promised to visit the whales again. Because listening always leads to learning.